Okay guys, today we are going to explain about this product from Tiger Kitchen mini noodles, China style, and this is a noodles like plain noodles I think, because you will not find any seasoning there, not the same with instant noodles that you have already seasoning. That means if you buy these noodles, you have to make your own seasonings, and it's up to you. You can use any seasonings. And yeah, from the front you can see the Nutri-Score. It's C. Yeah, not bad. And this is nutrition fact that you can take a look if you have a concern. This is distributed by Migros, and from the back you can see the ingredients of this. And this is also vegan, so if you have a concern in vegan, you can use this. And some descriptions of this, how to storage or something like that. You can see also here the expiration date. This is quite low, and you can see also the how to prepare or how to cook this noodle. This noodle can be served up to 4 persons, and this can be used by 4-liter water, and using something like pak choy and anything. I guess I hope this quite quick review will be useful for you. If you are going to buy, this is not expensive. This is very cheap noodles that you can buy at Migros. It's I put this less than 2 Swiss franc, maybe 1 Swiss franc something. So it's for 4 people. Means if you are alone, so you can use this to eat for 1 day. It's quite cheap for your life. If you like this video and find this video useful, please like and subscribe to these channels, and keep a comment if you have something question or something like that. I guess thank you for watching. See you. Goodbye.